I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not play the boy in the club? Cause we're not listening to raps. We in Atlanta, buy a wig, tell me the taste best. Pull that nigga, act like a killer, but you ain't enough for the net. Who's that calling me? My manager. Hey, LV, what's up, baby? I'm at the Royal Fresh studio about to get a video done. Oh, Nike wanna find me out? Tonight? At midnight? Hold on, let me get a pen. So we got flight 504, leaving Tullamarine on the way to Haneda. Is Haneda to Tokyo? Oh, we going to Japan at midnight? I wonder if you know how to live in Tokyo? Ooh, okay. We're gonna see that. All right, I'm gonna see you there, 504, Tullamarine, midnight. Yes, sir. I'm at an undisclosed location. I'm at the Royal Fresh's HQ. We got some great content on the way. We got some unboxings, some comparisons, some sneaker reviews, some car reviews. Hey, so make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment. Most importantly, tell a friend and tell a friend. Yes, sir. Welcome to the Royal Fresh's YouTube channel with your boy, Royal Fresh's. We rolling? Get it, let's get it. It's game time, baby. Game time. Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome to episode 5 of the Royal Freshers Show with your boy, one and only Royal Freshers. If you haven't seen the previous 4 episodes, check them out below. Let me know what you think, all right? But today, guys, on today's agenda, we're doing an unboxing. You already know the vibes. We got some Jordan 1s today, all right? We got a few pairs here. We're gonna get through them. But before we get to that, I just want to thank everybody that's liked and subscribed so far. We got 90 subscribers. 90? I didn't think I was gonna get that, but we're here, baby. We're here. So thanks for everybody subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, check it out. We got some great content on the way. As I said, guys, this is episode 5 today. We've got some unboxings. Today we've got the Jordan 1 Tokyos. All right, so Jordan 1 Tokyos, CO.JP, and then we got the Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. The Tokyo Midnight Navy, all right? So we'll get through those. And the first takeaway, guys, I noticed these is that it's a silver box, all right? Usually your Jordan 1s come in your standard black and red box. Rarely do they ever really change that. I've seen a difference on the women's pair, to be honest. There's a women's colorways I've seen that are reverse. But today, guys, these Tokyo joints, the Midnight Navies, you can see that they are silver. The gray and the silver. All right, so we're gonna get into the original Tokyo to begin with. Now, these Tokyo guys, these Jordan 1 Tokyos, they came out originally in 2001, January 2001. Only 2001 pairs were made, exactly. They were Tokyo only release, and Nike has brought them back, Team Jordan has brought them back in 2020. And the idea was to release these for the Tokyo Olympics, but due to COVID, that got changed out to 2021. But they were still going with this release, going ahead. It'll be interesting to see if Nike brings out, or Jordan brings out, another pair, another Jordan kind of shoe for the Olympics next year. We'll see how that goes. But the first takeaway, guys, I said this is a silver and gray box. All right, different to your original black and red box, traditional. Well, we'll check it out. Now, straight away, first thing that I see, guys, when I open this, I don't know if you can see this, but when you look at the wrapping, it's got the Jordan logo embroidered there and whatnot, but you can see the 2001 and 2020, all right? Giving homage to the first original colorway, or first original release, all right? So, as I said, guys, it released originally in 2001. In Tokyo, Tokyo only released 2001 pairs. 2020, they released it. It was a global release, so I'm out here in Melbourne, Australia, I got me a pair. You know, these are very sought after, but let's check it out. Okay. There we go right there. And there we go right there. Now looking at these guys, the first thing that I noticed got the silver metallic finish, the leather silver metallic finish on the swoosh there, and you got it on the toe box there, you got it on the back. This is great. Another thing that I noticed, guys, is the wings. Usually it's just standard, this is part of it, but they've kind of enhanced it, making it bigger and whatnot, and that plastic finish, is that what you said that is? I think so, so that's it right there. As I said earlier, this has that leather finish with the silver metallic. I've never seen that done before, but it's great. Underneath, you see it's got the gray, that's a little more of a gray, and you got the white midsole going through there. So this looks exceptional. I can definitely think of how I can wear these in different ways. As I said, this has got the leather, but on the other side, guys, it's got like kind of like a suede kind of nubuck. It's a great contrast in my eyes. You know, got the balance there. So that's right there. What do y'all think of that? Oh, I missed that right there. I wasn't paying attention. You know, if we deep dive inside, guys, it says 2001, 2020. You can see that right there. As I said, paying homage to that first colorway, that first initial release in 2001. That's a fine touch. It's a little things, you know, pause, but it's a little things, guys. As you can see, the Nike Air, right, that's stitched on, different to what it usually is. Usually it's kind of like a clip that goes, you can put your finger through, but it's different. The little things, guys. So that's the Nike Air Jordan High, Jordan 1 High, Tokyo JP CO. Japan colorway, all right? So I think that's what it stands for. That's that. Now getting into this next pair, is that in the shot? Getting into this next pair right here. These right here, guys, are the Jordan 1 Tokyo Midnight Navy, all right? Now, open it, same kind of deal, great box, you know, the silver outlines, whatnot. You look inside it, you can see that same kind of wrapping with 2001, 2020. Notice that straight away. This is my personal pair right here. All right. Now you can see the contrast, the differences between the two. So you got the Jordan 1 High Tokyo, and the Jordan 1 High Tokyo Midnight Navy. So you still have that same silver swoosh that has on both shoes, right? You see you got the stitching on the Nike Air on the tongue there, all right? You have, this is all leather, and you have the white leather opposed to the silver leather. You've got the nubuck kind of suede all across that navy, all across the ankle there, all across the toe box there, all across the lining. So that is how they look, guys. Let me know which one you think you're a fan of. If you like both of them, if you like one better than the other. How does that look right there, guys? What do you guys think? My preference, I think I'm a fan of the Midnight Navy because I can already think of a few different color outfits I can work the navy with. I feel like the silver's a little hard to work with, you know? But let me know what you guys think. Now get into this one right here. So both, before we get to the kids ones, these both retail for $230. They released within the last week or so. These actually, there was an early release for these in August. Now with the Jordan 1 Tokyo Highs, these ones right here, guys, there was actually a special box made that was a silver kind of briefcase, which was sick, it's exquisite. One thing I do notice, guys, when you're regular Jordan 1s, you have your kind of flat laces. These have that round kind of thick lace opposed to your flat ones. I should have bought a pair of Jordan 1s just to kind of compare the two. But obviously I haven't unboxed them, so I didn't, kind of see what's popping, right? So underneath, guys, you can actually see, the more I look at what deals I realize, on the tongue there, so not on the tongue, on the inner sole, it says CO.JP. I'm assuming that is color Japan. I'm not sure. If you know, correct me there. And I think it has it in both shoes, in both the Tokyo and the Midnight Navy Tokyo. Yep, it's in that too. If you do know, drop in the comment. I don't know if you can see that or not. Drop it in the comments and let me know what the actual meaning of that is. All right, getting into these ones right here. Now these are the Midnight Navies in the grade school colorway, in the kids, right? Now these do retail for $150. He handled them. And this is how they look like. Come on, you little Jordan Jumpman. Jumpman. Shout out Drizzy, Future. So that's how the kids one look like, guys. The gray suit look like. Very similar to the adult ones, you know? If you want to get, you know, your pair and your lady a pair, you know what I mean? You guys match, you know, get dripped out together, you know? Yes, sir. So these come with your standard blue laces as they do in the adults, and they come with the white laces, all right? Now the white laces actually, guys, are flat. I just noticed that, right? Now, one thing I gotta say, I've seen a lot of people doing this. Sneakerheads, high beasts, whatever it is. If you wear your Jordans, right? Big pet peeve of mine. This is my opinion at the end of the day, right? If you wear your Jordans, one blue lace, one white lace, you're not doing it right. You gotta stop, that ain't it, all right? Stop it, don't ever do it again. That ain't drip, that ain't style, that ain't saucy, that ain't it, period. All right, so don't do that. That's not the Royal Freshest way. The Royal Freshest way, either you do it completely blue or completely white, one or the other, you can't have both. So this right here is a look at how the Tokyo Midnight Navies look on feet. As I said, these are my personal pair. Next to it right here, I do have the Jordan 1 Retro Shadow Backward 3.0s. As you can see, the slight differences between the two in terms of the stitching on the tongue, like I mentioned before. Let me know what you think of these guys, if you're a fan of these or not. It's triple crown. So guys, that has been episode number 5 with your boy Royal Freshness. Before we get to that, we got 90 subscribers, y'all. 90. We're trying to get to that 100, all right? We're trying to get to that 100. Trying to get to that 100. But yeah, as I said, guys, trying to get to that 100. You know, please drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, as I said, guys, subscribe to your boy Royal Freshness. Got some great content on the way, so stay tuned. Got some giveaways too, all right? So we're gonna get the, you know, the details out sooner or later for those. But as I said, guys, episode number 5 with your boy.